Thank you for your interest in Conversion Bridge, adding conversion tracking to popular WordPress plugins for today's privacy-first analytics platforms. I created this plugin because I wanted to use one of the newer privacy-focused analytics platforms like Fathom, Plausible, or Beam and not deal with those dang cookie pop-ups. The problem? Conversion tracking. There weren't really any options available to add conversion tracking for many of our favorite WordPress plugins to these new analytic platforms. I've also been frustrated as a client-side maker of having to buy different conversion tracking plugins for every single project. So I've solved both these problems with a single plugin, Conversion Bridge, which will connect many of our favorite WordPress plugins with our favorite privacy-first analytics platform. Let's take a look. All right, I'm going to walk you through a little demo and show you how Conversion Bridge works with Beam Analytics. I'm going to first walk through the admin panel here. First, we have the Beam Analytics token, which you can get from your account in Beam Analytics. I've taken mine now, so you pesky little people can't steal it. But you can disable Beam Analytics for any of these roles, so it won't track for certain roles, which we love to do. You can also disable for certain environments. And then for custom events, we are using a prefix so that we can easily find these events in Beam Analytics. Next, we have the add-ons tab, which these are all the different plugins that it currently integrates with at the moment. Of course, we'll be adding more and more as time goes on. So you can see that we have something like WooCommerce, and we can track purchases, and we can also track individual products purchased, for example. Same thing for a couple of these e-commerce plugins. One really cool feature is going to be the custom events. So besides just working with plugins, Conversion Bridge is also going to be able to track any custom events that you want. It can work either on click, on scroll, or time on the page. So for example, click, if we click on this CSS selector, this path is what will show in Beam Analytics. And we can choose which page on the website we want to restrict this conversion tracking to. So we're going to have this anytime someone clicks on the search toggle. On this one, we want to track whenever someone scrolls to the footer of the website. So we have this selector here for the footer on every page of the site. And then on the another sample page, we want to track when a user has been on the page for at least 5 seconds. All right, let's test out one of those automatic integrations. In front of me is a Gravity Forms quiz. So let's take this quiz real quick. Is WordPress the best CMS? Yes. Is WP Sunshine a great plugin company? I think so. And did Derek look good at the start of this promo video? I think so as well. So let's hit submit. And I passed with a celebratory confetti. Everyone loves confetti. Let's take a quick rough look at the Beam Analytics data. In the first row, we will see the custom tracking event for the Gravity Forms test we just did. We have our prefix, the plugin, the action, and the value as a page view, as this is how events work in Beam. Also on the list is a bunch of other data for all the other plugins being tested as well. Of course, as Conversion Bridge grows, this kind of data will be sent into your preferred analytics platform. Thank you for taking the time to check out Conversion Bridge. It's still in development, as you saw a little there, but if you think you get value from this plugin that adds conversion tracking for our favorite WordPress plugins with privacy-first analytics platforms, please let me know by signing up for the email list at conversionbridgewp.com to get notified when it's ready, or send me a message on Twitter /X or whatever it's called at Derek Ashour. Thanks so much.